Hey friends, if you wish to fix Dell laptop sound not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. The next one is to search for services in the Windows search bar and go to services. This list is in alphabetical order, so we will scroll down to the Windows Audio Service. Right click on it and select Restart. And then you can update the audio drivers. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Open the Device Manager, expand the list of audio inputs and outputs. Right click and install. Right click and update the drivers again. And update all the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.